Hi, my name is Teacher Lydia. What is your name? Hi, Sophie. Let's see what's next. Watch and listen. Yay! Let's see what's next. Bananas. Good job. Bananas. Great job. I like bananas. Let's see what's next. Banana. Good job. High five. Banana. Yes, awesome. Banana. Good work. Let's see what's next. Big N. Good. Big N. Good job. Little N. Yes. Little N. Good job. You get a trophy. Woohoo! Let's see what's next. Banana. Good job. Banana. Good. Let's say it loud. Banana. Good work. Let's say it soft. Banana. Good job. What's next? I like bananas. Good. Bananas. Yes. I like bananas. Good work. What's next? Hand. Good job. Hand. Yes. Hand. Good work. Hand, hand, hand. Good work. You get a trophy. Yay! What's next? Hands. Good job. Hands. Yes. Hand. Good. Hands. Yes. Clap your hands. Good job, Sophie. Clap your hands. Good work. Banana. Good job. Let's clap. Banana. Good. Banana. Good job. Now let's do it loud. Banana. Yes, good work. You get a trophy. Yay! What's next? I. Good. Point to your eye. I. Good job. I. Yes. Nose. Good work. Point to your nose. Good job. Nose. Yes. Ear. Ear. Good job. Point to your ear. Good work. Eye. Yes. Nose. Good job. Ear. Yay! High fives. What's next? What do you see? Eye. Good job. What do you see? Ear. Good job. What do you see? Nose. Yes. What do you see? Nose. What do you see? Eye. Good job. What do you see? Ear. Yay! High five. What's next? We did it! Good job! Bye, Sophie!